Hello YouTube, you're here with Skipper Drones, and I'm sorry I haven't been able to bring out a lot of content lately, but this is what I'm dealing with, my friend. Yes, a lot of this white stuff. We just got all this morning, so we're gonna go back in the house and warm up and do a nice unboxing. Yes, we are. Hello YouTube. You're here with Skipper Drones. It's a cold day outside, so I decided to do a quick unboxing today. Um, Before I do that though, I'd like to give a shout out to Captain Cook, Drone Worship, and MD95. They are some good people. If you haven't checked out their channel, go over and check out their channel. It's real good. Some good fellas. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Ghost Drone. We got, they said it gets up to 15 to 23 minutes flight time. It comes with a 5400 milliamp LiPo battery, a 24 gigahertz communicator with Bluetooth. It's the G box because this doesn't have a transmitter. It operates off your phone. Max flight distance, you get about, they say you get about 30 meters. That's 3,200 feet, but we're gonna see when we get into testing. So let's see what's in the box here. This is a mighty big box. Oh. Let's set the box over here. Okay. We got operating manual, disclaimer and warranty. The drone, anyone can fly. The Ghost Drone. Anyone with a smartphone or a tablet can be airborne in just seconds. One-click commands are intuitive and easy. Auto follow allows you to record the fun. The camera autofocus on you at all times. Microcontrol mode allows you to put the drone where you want it. Point-to-point waypoints give you the ability to fly where you want while recording all the way. Set that over there. See what comes in the box here. We get like 4 extra sets of four propellers. We get an extra set of propellers. This is the Ghost Drone. Oh, beauty. We've got the trapdoor here. I guess the battery goes there. The propellers are different on this one. The props are different on this one here. The props are underneath the drone instead of on top. So it pushes up, I see. Interesting. We'll set that there. Put this back, see what we got here. It comes also, this is the G box, which communicates with the phone. The Bluetooth. It's Android system. They also have this in the iPhone, but this is the Android model. Here we have a 3-axis gimbal, which is it goes 360 degrees around. We're probably gonna get the legs in it, but hey, 3-axis gimbal. We have prop guards. Leave 4 of those, which we will be using. Here we have the legs. We have a charger. And what a good thing about this is too, they give you a charger, and this charger will charge 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. USB for the G-Box. And here is the battery. It's a pretty big battery. It's a 5400 milliamp, 11.1 volts, C rating 10C. LiPo charger, and this is the cable to charge your battery. And you see here the red goes to the positive and the negative. So don't cross it up, because you might blow up your battery. You know they are dangerous. But yes, this is a charger cord. Okay, they give you, these are 4 standoff, brass standoffs for the gimbal. You got hex wrench screws here for the gimbal and the prop guards. Extra dampers here for the prop guards. What else we have on here? That's the tool. We also have the legs, part of the legs here, which inserts like so. So we are going to be putting this together. I'll probably do a video like putting it together, give you guys a good idea on how to put it together and everything, which I know you probably already know. Well, like I said, I'm sorry for not being able to post content lately, but the weather has just been so bad. So there it is, you guys, the Ghost Drone 1.0. We'll be putting this together, giving this first maiden flight here pretty soon as the weather breaks. And I have other things coming up on my channel pretty soon that's going to be pretty interesting. So yeah, we getting it together, getting everything together. I've been working a lot, so you guys, when this weather breaks, hopefully we're going to go real strong. And I'd like to thank all my subscribers out there. They are wonderful. They're like good friends, man. And like I said, if you haven't seen Drone Worship or MD95 or Captain Cook, go over and check their channels out. Them some real cool cats, man. And I'll see you guys later on the flip. Skipper Drones, and I'm out of here.